What's up, fellow realtors and tech junkies? Back for another video, and today we're gonna have just a little bit of fun. It's a ChatGPT video, and most of the time when we're in ChatGPT, we're like doing serious stuff for real estate. However, I thought I'd have a little fun with it today. So, just a few weeks ago, everybody had an action figure of themselves that they were creating with ChatGPT. As a Gen Xer, I'm moderately ashamed to admit that I had a Cabbage Patch Kid doll. Yeah, there's no getting around that. They weren't action figures. It was a full-on doll. So I thought, how cool would it be to see what ChatGPT comes up with if it were to make me a Cabbage Patch Kid based on what it knows about me? So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to get into it right after this. All right, so I'm in ChatGPT. I've been using ChatGPT a long time, so it knows a lot about me based on the history. I mean, we're like BFFs, we're tight. It knows all about me and knows the things I like to do, knows the things I do for work, knows my weird, curious questions, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to give it a simple prompt to have a little bit of fun and ask it what it would create for me as a Cabbage Patch Kid. Okay, let's have some fun. Based on everything you know about me, create an image of me as a Cabbage Patch Kid in the original box with the accessories that tell my story. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Cool. Of course, let's do it. Before I generate your Cabbage Patch Kid image, please upload a photo of yourself that I can reference. That way I can make sure your Cabbage Patch Kid version actually looks like you. Once you upload the image, I'll take everything I know about your story, real estate, tech, coaching, VR, AI, branding, fun collectibles, etc., and build the full scene. Original Cabbage Patch Kid box, personalized accessories that reflect your world, details that make it tell your story. Just send over a clear photo when you're ready. All right, so let's upload that photo. All right, so we got the photo uploaded, and we'll send that over. Now let's see what we get. Perfect. Thank you for the photo. Now that I've got your reference image, I'll create your custom Cabbage Patch Kid Brett in the original box with accessories that reflect your story. Real estate agent flair, maybe a tiny for sale sign or house key, AI tech vibe, mini laptop, ChatGPT logo, VR headset, branding nods, KW Realty Tech Guru style, a little touch of gaming fun, VR Gorilla Tag nod. That is my kids' deal, and I love it. Business coach and speaker vibe, tiny mic or headset, sober life inspiration accessory, optional subtle symbol. Yes, I love that. That is my wife's story, and it's actually our story together as well. So that's pretty cool. Give me one quick thumbs up if you're ready, or feel free to add any extra details or accessories you'd like included before I generate it. Sounds good. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Let's see what we get. Need some Jeopardy music playing right now, but I might get a copyright strike with that. I don't know. All right, here we go. Images creating. Comment down below. Let me know, have you tried anything cool like this, especially if you're a Gen X or with all the cool stuff that we had when we were kids, G.I. Joe, He-Man, all that kind of stuff. Have you had ChatGPT create you as one of those action figures or characters? It's just kind of fun to play with. kind of neat, cool social media content, things like that. Get some conversations started. Uh-oh, I see that familiar packaging. I see it. All right. Looks like it's spelled correctly, so that's huge. ChatGPT is definitely spelling much better than it used to, so that's a huge one. Oh, I can't wait to see what this face looks like. That's hilarious. The first time I did this, it did not ask me to upload a photo, so this is going to be good. I see it gave me crow's feet on my eyes, so that's awesome. There's the goatee. Cool. This is probably even better than the first. I'm going to throw the first version of this in the comments below so you can see what it came up with first. The first one actually looked way more like a Cabbage Patch Kid, but this is still pretty fun. So yeah, have some fun with it. Do me a favor. Go make your own and post a photo in the comments below, and let's see what everybody looks like as a Cabbage Patch Kid. All right, Gen Xers, all my fabulous tech junkies out there, fellow realtors, if you had fun in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel and ding that notification bell so you can be reminded when I upload fun videos just like this. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Remember, as always, have fun and explore the technology.